Welcome to the fascinating world of tamarind farming. Tamarindus indica is not only a delicious fruit but also a versatile and valuable crop with a rich history spanning centuries. In this journey through tamarind farming, we will unveil the step-by-step process of cultivating these remarkable trees, from planting to harvest, and discover the secrets to a successful tamarind plantation. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Selecting the perfect location. Like any great venture, choosing the right location is paramount to tamarind farming success. Tamarind trees thrive in warm, tropical climates with well-drained soil and ample sunlight. A location with good air circulation helps prevent diseases and promotes healthy growth. Remember, the happier the tree, the sweeter the fruit. Soil preparation. Now that you have found the ideal spot, it's time to prepare the soil for your tamarind babies. Loamy soil with good organic content is the preferred choice. Ensure the soil is well drained, as tamarind trees load soggy feet. Perform a soil test to identify any deficiencies and amend as necessary. A little love for the soil goes a long way. Planting the tamarind seeds. The magical moment of planting. Tamarind seeds are like the phoenix rising from the ashes, full of potential and life. Plant them at a depth of about 2 inches and provide ample water to kickstart their journey to becoming majestic trees. Be patient, though, as tamarind seeds can take weeks to germinate. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Nurturing young saplings. As your tamarind saplings emerge from the earth, treat them with tender care. Regular watering and protection from harsh elements will ensure their growth is smooth and steady. Providing a little shade during scorching days can be a nurturing touch for these younglings. Remember, raising trees is like raising children. They need time, patience, and guidance. Proper pruning. As the tamarind trees mature, they'll need a little grooming. Pruning is an art that shapes these trees into their best selves. Remove dead wood and any crowded or competing branches to enhance airflow and sunlight penetration. A well-pruned tamarind tree is a sight to behold. Water and nutrient management. Water is life, and tamarind trees need a consistent supply. During the dry season, ensure they receive sufficient water without overdoing it. Applying organic fertilizers annually can keep your trees healthy and fruitful. Strike the perfect balance, and your tamarind trees will thank you with abundant harvests. Pest and disease control. Just like any star in the agricultural world, tamarind trees are not immune to pests and diseases. Keep a watchful eye and use eco-friendly pest control measures to safeguard your precious crop. Healthy trees are better equipped to fend off intruders, after all. The sweet reward harvest time. After years of nurturing and waiting, it's finally time to taste the fruits of your labor, literally. Harvesting tamarind involves plucking the mature pods from the trees. Once collected, the pods are carefully de-steamed and dried to preserve their tangy goodness. Relish the satisfaction of knowing that your efforts have borne this delightful, versatile fruit. Conclusion. Tamarind farming is a fulfilling endeavor that rewards both the senses and the soul. From selecting the perfect location to nurturing the young saplings, and finally saving the harvest, every step in this journey is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer or an aspiring horticulturist, tamarind farming awaits you with its tangy allure and the promise of a fruitful future. Embrace this green adventure, and may your tamarind orchard thrive and flourish for generations to come. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.